Hi everyone, welcome to a ResepKik channel. Today I'm going to cook and share recipe how to cook herbal chicken soup. And the ingredients are 500 gram chicken, a large bowl of water, button mushroom, garlic, a packet of chicken spices, salt, sugar, soya sauce, cooking oil for fry the garlic, and additional coriander leaves. I'm going to start with fry the garlic with little amount of cooking oil. And taking them out. For the next step, I'm going to boil the water with the same pot. After the water boils, I will add in all the spices and the chicken as well. I'm going to cover and leave it cook about 45 minutes with medium fire. After boil the soup about 45 minutes, and now I'm going to add the bottom mushroom inside and cook again for about another 5 minutes. And the soup is ready to serve. And this dish you can try it at home and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again for the next episode only at ResepKik channel. Bye bye.